Peace, love, and light, healing through inspiration. How y'all doing? Feathers up. We not just talking, we actually living it. It's a great grandiose day. Hope everybody's doing amazing, you know. You dig? Man, there's a lot of heavy rain, man. Holy snap. Snap. Man, oh man. I gotta say all the water levels, man. Golly. Look at the water levels, man. You gotta see the water levels from there, man. Golly. It was raining hard. Raining very, very hard. I was surprised it was raining for so long, too. But yeah, man, it's a beautiful day, though, still, regardless. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification. You guys want to book a one-on-one consultation, you can do that by sending us an email at info@healingthroughinspiration, or you can just DM us on Instagram at healingthroughinspiration. We dig. Let me play on my settings real fast so I can see myself better. There you go. Hey. But I was gonna say this, man. I was doing some thinking, or like I'm going through some thinking and feeling things. It's like, I think it kind of just goes with this. It's like dealing with narcissistic abuse. You know, those who have grown up in the environment, have experienced it, dealing with it. You know, and the thing about narcissism, what it does, it's a psychological abuse. It's a psychological abuse, mainly type of abuse. That's why it really doesn't get honored. I don't think a lot of people comprehend it as well, too, even the DSM-5, because they like to think that it's a mental illness. When really, in actuality, narcissism is a choice. People choose to be a narcissist. If you want to disagree with me, and here's how. All right. When narcissists get around the police, or they get around certain presence of other people, they change their tune up real quick. From what they're doing in the private between you two. Or you all, because it could be more than, multiple people that are narcissists as well. And they do the act of, as far as the narcissistic abuse. Two, this is another thing. I was watching a narcissist channel. I want to get the channel right. I'm not sure of her name. But she even said this as far as that sarcasm is narcissism. It's narcissistic abuse. It's narcissistic language. They use sarcasm. I'm saying, oh my gosh, you're right. All narcissists, they use sarcasm. It's really some hater type ish. It's really hater dialogue. Sarcasm is a language, and along with the passive aggressive statements, of course. You guys notice this as far as we spoke about the time when a biological father saw our artwork, and he's looking at it. He's they always gotta do that laugh. So, you're your regular starving artist. Said, what does that mean? Regular starving artist? That sounds like an insult. I said that to him. I was bold enough to say that to him. This is when I was still talking to him. This when because I wasn't even doing the gray rock method. This I was still talking. I was bold enough to say that. I was bold enough to be cognitive and think that sounds like an insult. I said it to him, and he said, "Oh no, it's not an insult. No, it's not an insult." And I just pondered on it. It still didn't sound right. What a complete bitch. How big of a bitch do you gotta be for you to say something like that? And then when I asked you about it, because you were indirect. And I asked you about it, and you couldn't even address it as a man. Sound like a bitch to me. Freaking coward, that's what I'm afraid. And going with this narcissistic, recovery and whatnot, because we're conditioned not to trust our feelings, being told how to feel and go on the basis of how other people feel. And just even along with their negative energy, because they don't have to be talking in order to manipulate it. Just their mood alone, their energy, really. I think people say it's the mood, but it's the energy. It's really the energy. You can feel it when they're in the same room as you. Oh my gosh. Freaking hell. Freaking hell, I tell you. I don't even want to walk down. I just want to look down here because I know it's flooded. Shoot. Wowzers. Look at that. What? Maybe it's the wind. It's going to start raining because I know it's supposed to be raining and stuff. But yeah, just what this, they could teach you to go against your feelings, whatnot. And you know what? I go with my feelings, and when they in a question, I said, "What is this, man? Am I starting to become paranoid?" I had to think to myself, "Am I starting to become paranoid?" But I'm feeling his presence, like he's coming soon, like he's coming around that corner, and I'm just like, whatever, because I just didn't want to hear his lip. I just didn't want to hear lip from him. You don't even freaking know. So then, because this is in the sense that we're leaving. So then it turns out he does have come around the corner. So I said, because part of me didn't know it. But I was just like, whatever, because that's how I wouldn't really worry. Because I'm like, he going to say he going to do what he do, so let's do what he do. You dig? You know what I'm saying? He tried to project his fears. That's another thing, too. That's why if you guys saw the video previously, when it drops, he did all that because it was him. He did all that antic and is complaining and whatnot because he was scared. He's scared what they're going to say. I can care less. Man, frick that. And the narcissist isn't comfortable with you being not fearful. Not scared of what they're scared of. That's why they like to suggest things and do things. Well, sometimes they outright tell you stuff. They demand things. Rudely, of course. First, talking about I'm a starving artist. That's how I showed you guys in the art piece is when we signed our art piece. When we signed our art piece, that was sold out. That was sold art. Did that from online. It was one of our pieces you saw. We even showed you guys crafted at healingthroughinspiration.com/shop. We even showed you many pieces we crafted for sure. I'm a starving artist. Laughing because I sell art. One of the things I sell. He's mad because he would like to be an artist. He like, man, because he want to be an entrepreneur. Because he want to start a business. And he's not doing it at his age. You haven't noticed I'm talking about my biological father. But hey. And for you guys, because a lot of people don't talk about the narcissism and the getting out financial-wise. You guys want to start a business? You guys can do that online, I'm telling you. You guys got to get with the course we got in the description box. The best course I ever took. I literally paid thousands to one coach alone. And I paid for coaches before, so. Best course I've ever taken for hair. A fraction. Not a fraction, that'd be a very low level fraction for what it was. But the value itself, it just doesn't do it justice. I really feel like you're getting a steal with this. You dig? But yeah. We also got our one-of-a-kind artwork at healingthroughinspiration.com/shop. And we have our American apparel, and stuff like that. It's great designs there on our site as well. But if you guys want to book a one-on-one consultation, you can do that by sending us an email at info@healingthroughinspiration. or just DM us on Instagram at Healing Through Inspiration. We post on a regular there. But yeah, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification. Let's get these likes up, because the likes really help the algorithm, and this helps recommend this to people that really need this. Because I've I've spoken out on this about this stuff right here, especially like on YouTube. Like a lot of these YouTube channels, they're garbage. They speak on narcissism. A lot of them are garbage. It's just the same regurgitated message. They're not getting anything helpful to benefit people across platforms. They're just talking the same old stuff. Same go to contact, read that, this and that, and just no real authenticity as far as even the expression of transparency. Rather redundant, and it's like they have a big following. A lot of times their big following is just like, hey, and I feel like they're really not trying to help people. I think it's cool because it's like a cliche. So you guys will get another video on another show, but I think it's kind of a cliche in itself because it's cool to talk about narcissism. It really is. Like it's a cool word now. Like even some people are even claiming themselves narcissism, not knowing that it's not a positive thing. And two, it's a cool thing because one, they call president right now, as you're listening to this, Donald Trump a narcissist. Okay, I think if we're gonna call him that, what about all the other presidents, huh? I mean, shoot. And I'm not saying I'm for Trump. I'm not. I'm not for a Republican or a Democrat. I'm actually for self-sufficiency, and I'm not sure who these presidents are really mascots for the thing that's really working the thing, really running the thing. You dig? But I feel like look at the cat. But yeah, man. But they don't really speak on like solutions. They really don't speak on solutions. It's just talk, and it's not even like really healing measurements. So hey, that's how I said. That's why I said I really appreciate if you guys just hit the like button and just share this with who needs it. You don't know, because some people don't even know about this. They don't even know about narcissism and whatnot. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. Y'all have a great one. Peace, love, and light.